Money, money, money problem. Everyone is facing money problem. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever faced a money problem? It's a money world. Everything depends on money. And when you don't have money in your hand, oh feeling mata gorong, oh mata gorong, feeling headache, oh headache. I'm just a country boy, live in Karbi Anglong. Oh brother, oh sister, have you ever thought of owning good house?